Hey guys, this is Ilias from EA Planes, and this is the third update of the model airport of Halifax Stanfield International. So we will have a closer look to today's traffic and some new details that they add to my model airport. At the ramp number 1 we have an old Fokker F-27. It came earlier from Goose Bay and will go back in a couple of hours in the same airport. Right next we have a Dash Q400 in Nova Airlines livery. This is the second flight of the day. It will go to St. John. At the stand number 3 we have the Embraer ERJ of American Airlines heading back to Philadelphia. At the gate 5 we have a French B Airbus A350-900. This particular aircraft came yesterday night from Paris Orly and it is in boarding procedures heading back to Paris. At the gate number 6 we have a WestJet Boeing 737-800 just came from Toronto. At the gate number 7 we have the last flight of a Boeing 737 MAX 8 in Lux livery. This is the last flight from the Halifax Stanfield heading back to the base of Toronto. At the gate 8 right next we have an Air Canada Airbus A220. It came from Montreal before 35 minutes and its scheduled departure is approximately in 20 minutes. A Boeing MAX 8 at the Flare livery at the gate 9 it just came from Toronto. Meanwhile, on the taxiway Alpha Bravo we have an Air Canada Airbus A321. It's going to depart from runway 05 of Halifax heading to Montreal. At the gate 11 we have a brand new Airbus A320neo of Nova Airlines, fictional airlines based here in Halifax Stanfield on pushback procedures heading to New York. Condor Airlines and Airbus A321 is going back to Frankfurt. This aircraft came this morning at 6 o'clock in the morning and will go back to Frankfurt at about 5 hours. Cargo terminal, the spot number 2, we have a Boeing 747 of UPS. As you can see, is on loading procedures heading to Anchorage. And right next we have a cargo jet, Boeing 757. It came from Moncton before 1 hour and the loading procedures will start soon. Next stop will be Madrid. Well guys, I've made this brand new road on the cargo terminal. I put also the fence. The whole airport is by 95% do-it-yourself, DIY. I hope you like it. Well guys, that was the update of my model airport Halifax Stanfield International based in Nova Scotia. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for unboxing reviews, real updates of my local airport Anapolatou in Kefalonia Island, Greece. And until the next time guys, bye!